Out of the three cities, there's only one with a reasonably high chance of success. There's no room in Baltimore. The street isn't wide enough for the windows, buildings are in the way. DC is a pure suicide mission. I mean, unless you're sure your shooter's interested in 70 virgins away from the afterlife, I'd rule that out. Shots gotta be taken from Philly. From beyond 1,800 yards south. It's 1 to 6 miles from location, approximately 5 Philly from the president's location. The flight time of the bullet that distance is 5 to 6 seconds. I have to wait till he takes the podium several lines into speech. Large caliber weapon. Expect the bullet to be handmade, flying down large Chinese like all ballistics coefficient. That's most slippery as time to do. You can kill him from that far away. Mile and a half the bullets from the striking noise and a 44 Magnum point blank. Yeah, I think you can kill him. Challenge is the wind. Let us breathe uncorrected at that distance, enough to ruin the shot. He's going to need indicators between the podium and the shooting position. Velocity corrections are easy, but an angle change, that becomes a trick problem. You've got to do that in his head on the fly. Now, some engaging shots are too tough to make cold water.
Impressive recon and report, son. Move too soon, we lose him. Want to take him alive. We don't know who hired him. It could just happen again. We'll have 6 3-man teams standing by. Gunnery Sergeant Swagger. Moment. You've done your country a great service, son. On the day.
Look,
Listen. You're one of the few people who knows what to look for. I could use some other.
The president speaks in 20 minutes. Notify our teams. Check their positions. Uncertain country. The United States of America that changed the world. Philadelphia's our flag. We are good.
Flashlight's current location and approaching checkpoint J. All sniper teams send update on your syndrome. Stand by. Yes, I realize
All clear. There's really nothing going on here.
The president will be awarding the Philadelphia Brotherhood Medal to Grace Desmond Matumbo, the Archbishop of Ethiopia.
There's been some controversy surrounding the Archbishop as he's been speaking out regarding the atrocities in his country. He plans to meet with the president right after the ceremony to discuss these matters.
These are great times. These are historic times. And these are troubled times as well. This meant that your country...
yellow ribbons.
Yeah, people put those up to remember the troops.
No, the titles low around trees. The windage flags. Rough location, how to put them in for a shot from the steeple. Maybe.
Oh, definitely. He knows what he's doing.
You guys got a team in place to take out the church?
We moved right before the shot was taken. His focus is elsewhere.
France, freedom, violence, silence, suffer, chokes in constant Europe. And it is our responsibility to fight these dark winds.
local resources. Properly sweated. It is a real honor to meet you.
You're in Snap House.
Shit. Well, what would be bad now, then why? The game. It's an honor.
How about a stewardship?
Is that a guy in the collar?
The Archbishop of Ethiopia. He's getting the medal. Know it?
That's right. Boy, yeah.
Yeah, I worked there. You know what to say about the first thing they feel when you shoot a spin.
They call it a rifle. Very reverend.
Thank you, Archbishop, for those inspiring
The
words.
president speaks next. All teams stand by.
Fail. Fail. Agent Gibson, moving to 5 line. Situation all clear. Over. James, all clear.
Now it is speaking enormous.
Now when the free, over. Maybe for that, there's an angle. You know how increasing in dice. He's loaded. Altitude, humidity, temperature. Count. You gotta take him. 10 seconds. Win Max is set up. Take him now.
70 yards each. Take up the seat.
Fail một trăm rồi. Yes.
Has the president been shot?
Lên vô đi đi. Bạn đôi à? Vô mấy vô nhi chú bố.
How could you
Dạ
miss?
ba mươi tiết mấy.
How could you
Dạ
fucking
chú bố
miss?
mươi tiết. À đâu thì play thì như vậy vậy. Cơ công an vô man đi muối. Muối nè. Vô xem tương 5 mét. Mà mấy một quần xe phường nó ba luôn má 5 con 5 luôn mấy. Mà mấy một quần. Cho nhạc xe mà mấy một quần nhiều đấy. Mà mấy một quần với 5 mét 5 quần đấy. Nè rồi. Cho nó mà mấy mán. Này cho ta ở chỗ
Command post. Command post. Command post. Post 19, you guys read me. Should I hold post? Please tell me. Please shot him. Let's go. Put your hands up. Please.
nó quần.
Give me your keys. I didn't shoot the president. Send him to the center. Help! FBI! Took my weapon in my car!
Rồi.
Don't worry, I already shot him twice, you alright?
DP 17, can you repeat about the suspect description? Negative, no further at this time. 59, giving you my location. Are you available to positive?
This is Officer Timmons requesting backup. Pursuing suspect in assassination. Now fleeing and stolen FBI vehicle. Shot on the front from diamond. Suspect is armed and dangerous, I repeat. Suspect is armed.
Fail vào. Okay. Transitioning from Roadhouse to Front Street, please advise further description of